Ass ditch they dug.
Look at all this rain.
I know, damn shame. Damn shame.
And on these construction sites, you can't wait around.
No.
This stuff don't last. You gotta dig it, rain or shine.
Oh God, I know. It's gonna be gone quick.
Oh man, look at this muddy mess. Look at that. Look at our hole from yesterday. It's full. Okay, so like I said, it's day 2. And I'm just trying to dig all the mud out so I can get down to some dry dirt again after that heavy rain. You can kind of see, you know, Mark's hole's full of water. I'm getting back down to where I might be able to dig. Here's the first bottle I come to, so we're gonna pull it out on camera. I hope it ain't getting too dark with this overcast, but move some of these roots.
I finally got an embossed one.
I hope this is embossed.
Dr. Price's.
Oh, Dr. Price over there. George got a Dr. Price's, but oh, this one's whole. Oh, I don't think it's just a plain. Dang. Oh well. It looked good for a minute. That's a throwback. We got us a lid coming out here, but usually when lids get thrown away, because they're broke or the dish was broke, and then if the dish was broke, then sometimes they threw away a whole lid. I don't know if this one's going to be whole or not. There you go. There's the lid. There's the lid to the cookie jar. What'd you get, George? Did you finally get a whole bottle? Is it embossed?
But not embossed.
Oh.
Look at that.
Yeah, phooey. Whew, I think we're done again today. Whole bunch of plain, slick bottles, nothing good. It's muddy. This stuff's hard to dig in because everything's heavy because of all the water. So I think we're going to call it a day. What a big old mess. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but if it don't rain tomorrow, we'll try it again. Maybe some of this will dry out and we can move all this overburden down farther the hill. Dig in again. I did get this cool crock lid, and I think I found all the pieces. Oh yeah, there we got that one. I guess we're going to chunk that. I might keep that little jar to put something in the display case, and there's our other lid. This is some of that stuff Mark got yesterday, that ornate stuff. I'm going to keep this, see if it goes to his piece. But I might glue this crock lid back together just for the fun of it. It's got a big chip right there. That may be why they threw it out. Or who knows, they may have broke it and thrown all 3 pieces out, and I got lucky and got them all. Okay, we're out of here. You gonna live, George? How many heart attacks have you had? 3?
Yeah.
Oh well, you're good. Nothing like digging bottles to get over a recent heart attack.